Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you people doing? I am Charanya Nair and I do videos on beauty and lifestyle. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, today I'm going to share about emergency kit. Yes, this is a kit which I can't do without. This is always in like my handbag, tote bag or the normal carry bags. Any bag is always with me because if I'm traveling out like for more than 2-3 hours, this is a kit which I will actually carry with me because this will save me like all time in all difficulties, all hard times I believe. So without talking much, let's get started. So guys, this is the bag in which I carry all my emergency supplies. This is a very compact one, but this fits the world for me. Like all the supplies which I require is always in there. And you know, this is like a very cute color with nice dots on it. And this says Queen's Secret. Yes, this is my cute little secret which I'm actually sharing with you people. And I bought this from like D-Mart and this costed me around like 250 or 200, something around that. So let me show you what all things I carry in my emergency kit. So for the first item from my emergency kit is a mirror. This is a thing which I can't do without because you know all the places don't have mirror, and mirror is very important for me because I am very self-conscious. So I just want to look at myself like I am all fine or perfect. So that is why I always have a mirror. This mirror is from Shein and this has like 2 mirrors. So this is very compact and small so that it fits in the bag and takes a minimal space. The next item is the hand sanitizer. So this is like, you know, you don't have hand wash everywhere, so no access to water or something. I am foodie, I eat a lot of food, and you know I handle around with many interviews and stuff. So I'm like touching all the papers, that and this. So this is always with me like to save the world for me. And just have to put, I'm all clean. So the next item I carry is like the tissue. I carry a bigger one, so this is like 50 sheets and 2 ply. So this is around 22 centimeter into 22 centimeter, and I carry a bigger one because the smaller packets are like, they get finished in like 2 days, and that is actually not enough for me because I'm a very clumsy person and like tissues are very important for me. And you know, if I drop something I can clean it, or else I pop up into something, it's always there for me. So I forget a lot on restocking things, so I carry a bigger packet, so it is always there with me. So this packet lasts me around like 2 to 3 weeks. So the next item from my kit is this perfume. This is a very compact one. This is 100 ml and it retails for like 135 rupees. I got it like for 100 rupees. This is the brand You Are Lovely, and this is like a perfume that you would prefer like on go, like any situation. It would be purely perfect. And this is the packaging. It comes in this very cute packaging. It is a pink in color. So I carry it in the box itself because it is very fragile and it is a glass bottle. So I'm a very clumsy person, so I'm just scared to just drop it out. So I just carry it in the box itself, and this fits very easily in the bag. So the next item in the kit is this moisturizer. This is a very small moisturizer. This one retails for like 15 rupees. This is Nivea Soft Moisturizer, and this comes in this cute packaging. This is how the packaging is, and this will come in like for like 2 to 3 use itself, not more than that, but then it's very compact and it fits in the bag. There is another moisturizer in my bag, that is this moisturizer from Good Vibes. This is a very small packaging, and this was a complimentary gift on shopping over like 2000, and this one also smells really great. And this does. This item is this small bag. This bag carries around like 4 to 5 items. I know this is very small, but it does carry 4 to 5 items. So I'll just open it for you. And so in this I have hair ties, like the hair ties. See, I have like 4 to 5 hair ties. So I have these side slides. I have the tic tac clips or the click clips. Then I have safety pin. So I have a safety pin. I have around 4 safety pins in, and I have some change in case of any necessity, or if I'm traveling by bus or I need change somewhere. So I have around like 20 rupees change, and there is a chain in the bag. I don't know why I carry, but it is in my bag. So in this bag there are like 4 hair ties, 4 side slides, 4 tic-tac pins and 4 safety pins, 20 to 30 rupees, and that's it. The next item from the kit is deodorant. I feel deodorant is very important. I use the Nivea Smooth White deodorant. So this is a very nice one. It smells even good. So this one lasts around like 12 hours, but it promises to stay for 48 hours. For me 12 hours is like good. I go to the office and come back. I am always fresh. I sweat a lot, so deodorant is like mandatory for me. I just layer on like during lunch breaks or something. Whenever I have a quick break, I just go and get myself a little fresh, so that you smell good the whole day. The next item is a lip balm. So I have chapped lips. Either it's summer, winter, any season I have chapped lips. So due to that, I always carry a lip balm with me. So this is the Himalaya Clear Lip Balm. This one retails for like 28 rupees. You can get them from drugstores or any stores, or you can even access them online. So the next item is a Band-Aid. I feel like Band-Aids are very important. I have 3 to 4 Band-Aids. It's an immediate fix for anything like shoe bites, or if you get hurt. It's a temporary fix for like big hurts, but then till you get a dressing done, this will actually save it. The next item in the kit is Eno. This is the lemon flavor. This one retails like 4 to 5 rupees, and these are like 2 to 3 Enos with me all the time, because I love food a lot, and initially I spent a lot of money on eating outside, like junk food especially, and after eating junk food, after 20-30 minutes, you feel that bloated feeling sometimes. So this always saves me in time. Like I am working, and if I feel bloated, I can't work. Like if I don't feel good, I can't work. I don't know why, because I have to pick many calls, and you have to take interviews and stuff. If you're bloated, no man. But apparently this is a problem with everyone, because everyone eats a lot of junk, and you have that bloating issues and all. This will actually help you out, trust me. So the next item is green tea. I am a fan of green tea, because in those times, or when you're actually stressed, if you have green tea, that will relax your mind, that will make you a little calm. So I believe green tea makes me a bit calm, and that's why I carry always a green tea with me, and this makes my day, trust me. I have like 4 to 5 packets with me all the time. Next one is this cute bag. This is from Club Factory. This one was like for 150 rupees, I believe. And this is a very cute one. This says, "Is there tea and cake?" Like it represents me. So this has pads and tampons in it, so that So in case anytime you hit on your date and you don't have, or you don't want to borrow and struggle, this will actually help you. So always carry one. Next item is kajal. I can do anything without makeup, but like kajal is important for me. I can't do without kajal, because my face looks like I am a drug addict or something. So no baba, I can't do it without it. So I always carry a kajal. So bags like this, you have these cute zips inside. So what I do is I carry like money in that zip. So I have around 200 rupees currently. So you can put money according to your wish. You can have like 150, 200, 500 according to your expenses. This money is like for a safety amount. I'm a person like who carries a very little cash, because I spend a lot of money. I'm into online transactions and stuff. So what I do is I carry like only 200 rupees. So I have cash, I'm cool with it. But then when I run out of it and I'm not having any access to ATMs and stuff, and I have to have money, then this money will actually help me out. So next item is Vicks. You can carry Jindu Balm, Tiger Balm according to your choice. I am very sensitive, so I carry Vicks, and this is like a savior for me. Anytime if I have a headache or I just get a hurt, and I have a little pain over it, so I just rub a little, and that soothes down the pain. You can concentrate on the things you're actually doing. So the next item from the kit is a comb. You can use a comb of your choice. So I carry this one because this is the smallest comb I have. And in case if you're having a long day, you can just give a little touch-ups in the between, and you're actually cool and sorted for the day. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. I feel this kit is like perfect for any woman out there who is working, going to school, college, etc. This is a total savior. You can just customize your kit according to your preferences, choices. If you feel I did miss out something in the kit, please do comment in the comment section so that I will indulge that in my kit. If you did like the video, please hit the like button, and until next time, bye.